Hypothermia. Part 23, Hypothermia. Welcome to the lesson on hypothermia. In this video, we will discuss signs and symptoms of hypothermia and hard to take of hypothermia cases. Hypothermia is a potentially life-threatening condition when the body temperature falls dangerously low. Hypothermia can even develop in non-freezing temperatures. Signs and symptoms of hypothermia include behavior changes, confusion or lethargy, paradoxical undressing, shivering, muscle stiffness, cold skin, decreased respiratory effort, and progression to unresponsiveness and death. How to care for someone with hypothermia. Step 1. Remove the individual from the cold and get them to a warm environment. Step 2. Remove any wet clothing and dry the individual. Redress them in dry, warm clothing and cover them with a blanket. Cover the head as it is a source of significant heat loss. Step 3. Be prepared to perform CPR. Stay with the person until advanced help arrives. This concludes our lesson on hypothermia. Next we will review toxin and poison exposure.